Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you a quick overview of this dog harness, and it has a built-in retractable leash. So the leash here is shown, it's in the fully extended position. It's about 6 feet long, and then the harness that goes around it is a 4-point harness that goes around the chest area in the front and in the back of the front legs there. Kind of works good, especially if you have a dog like a Whippet would have a big chest. Here's some close-up on it. All right, so as you can see here, it has reflective parts to it, and the leash in the front can be adjusted tighter or around the waist, depending on the dog's size. This dog is about 45 pounds, just from a reference standpoint. The leash, as shown here, it has a swivel here, and you can see there's like this little bulge at the top. That is where the leash retracts automatically. Now there's not an option to keep it open, so it's always in a retractable mode. So if the dog gets closer, it automatically retracts. And it has padding on the inside. Here's a close-up of it. See the reflective material. This is all kind of soft here and here. It's kind of padded. There's also a hook here, and there's additional hook here, and then there's a hand here. So if you wanted to walk and hold the dog at a short leash, you have that option as well. And here's a close-up of the quality of that. All in all, pretty cool dual 2-in-1 harness and retractable leash. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview, a little tutorial of our retractable leash and harness? Hopefully that answered any questions you got, and we'll talk to you soon.